Hey guys, what's up? I am back with a brand new video and it's time to do a checkout performance of the Huawei Y9s up against the Oppo A9 2020. Oppo A9 2020 comes with a Snapdragon 665 processor with a 8GB RAM, while the Huawei Y9s comes with a Huawei Kirin 710F chipset with 4GB RAM, and we have a quad cameras on the back on the Oppo A9 2020 versus a triple cameras on the Huawei Y9s. Both ones comes with a main 48 megapixel sensor. And guys, let's see how much is difference between the Oppo A9 2020 and the Huawei Y9s. So let's find out in this video. Without any further ado, let's quickly boot both of these phones up at the same time. And sorry for my video quality. Let's see who is faster there. And Huawei Y9s is faster when it comes to booting up, while the Oppo A9 is also right behind, and you can see about 1 or 2 second difference there. Oppo A9 comes with a water drop notch with the 720p IPS LCD display, while the Huawei Y9s comes with a full HD IPS LCD display with no notch, no hole, because the Huawei Y9s comes with a pop-up selfie camera which you don't see on the Oppo A9 2020, and Huawei Y9s give you a very immersive experience. So let's quickly show you the pop-up selfie camera on the Huawei Y9s 16 megapixel, and you can see it looks very cool. Let's see the app's opening speed. So yeah, and you can see everything is closed up in the background, no app is running in the background. So first application we have is the phone dialer, and that is a little bit faster I think on the Huawei Y9s, followed by the Oppo A9. And again, you guys are the judge of the speed test. So opening up these settings, and that was about the same on both phones, no difference there. So opening some more application, my clock, and again that was about the same on both phones, no difference there. So opening up the calculator, and that seems like a little bit faster on the Huawei Y9s, followed by the A9. My files, more system based application, that is again I feel like a little bit faster on the Oppo A9 2020. And guys, you can see that there is no difference in the system based application speed, and you can see Huawei Y9s is same as the Oppo A9 2020. And I also done the unboxing of the Huawei Y9s. If you are interested, link will be down below in the description area. Let's open some more application, system based application, music, because I am interested in the RAM measurement, which one is best RAM measurement performance. So launching some games application. So first one on the list is the Candy Crush Saga on both phones, and that is faster on the Oppo A9, followed by the Huawei Y9s, about half a second difference there, or maybe one. So opening up the Subway Surfer, and Huawei Y9s is a little bit wider than the Oppo A9 2020. And again, it seems like A9 is faster when it comes of games apps loading times. Let's see the last game application we have is the Temple Run 2, and that is faster on the Huawei Y9s, followed by the Oppo A9 2020. And you can see not a huge difference here, but still in this application Huawei Y9s is faster there. Last, I'm gonna launching the cameras on both phones, default cameras, that is faster a little bit on the Y9s, followed by the Oppo A9. So let's see the internet browsing speed. I am using Google Chrome on both phones. Both phones are connected to the same Wi-Fi network. And the first website we have is the wikipedia.org, and that is faster on the Huawei Y9s, followed by the A9. And scrolling is very smooth on both phones, no lag whatsoever. Same thing with zooming in and out. So next on the list is the wwe.com. It's a heavy website. Let's see which one is win this internet browsing speed battle, and that is faster on the Oppo A9, while the Huawei Y9s now it is also done about 2 or 3 second difference. and let's see the scrolling, and I feel lags on both phones, and now it is smooth on both phones. And let's see the RAM measurement on both phones. Oppo A9 comes with 8 GB RAM, while the Huawei Y9s comes with a 4 GB RAM. So let's see how much a difference between the 8 GB RAM versus a 4 GB RAM. So phone dialer, no refresh on both phones. Let's see which phone has a good optimization. Let's see the settings, no refresh. And both phones is give you a gesture which I really liked on Android as well, but I don't like on the Samsung phones with the Android 9 Pie. Let's see with the Android 10 update. No refresh. Let's see the My Files. Again, no refresh on both phones. Both phones is give you a very good RAM measurement. Right now, let's see. And let's see the games. No refresh on both phones. Very good RAM measurement game on both phones. Same thing with the Subway Surfer. And last game application we have is the Temple Run 2. And we are back to the internet browser. Let's see. Again, no refresh. Very good RAM measurement performance. Overall, I have to say that the app's opening speed is faster on the Oppo A9 2020 with the games apps loading time, but the system-based application speed that was about the same on both phones. RAM measurement is absolutely incredible on both phones. Not much a difference between 8 GB RAM versus a 4 GB RAM. So thank you so much for watching this video, and I will see you guys in my next video. Peace out.